everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will learn a very important topic in English language, present simple. Now, let's begin. We use present simple tense for routines, something we do every day or something we do again and again. For example, I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. It's a routine. It's something you do over and over again. We use it also for facts. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. That's a fact. We also use it for things that are always true. Example, cats like milk. Cats like milk. Got it? Now, let's learn how to make sentences using present simple. Listen and repeat. I eat. Good. You eat. Good job. He eats. Good. She eats. Good job. It eats. Good. We eat. Good. And they eat. Good job. Now, for third person, he, she, and eats. We add an S to the verb in present simple. So when you say I eat, for he, she, and eats, you add an S. So it's become he eats, she eats, it eats. Got it? Now let's do some more exercises with verb to play. Good, I play. Good job. You play. Good job. He. That's correct. He plays. That's correct. She plays. Good job. Eats. Plays. Good. We play. Good job. And they play. Good job. Let's look at some spelling rules in present simple. Remember, I told you that you add S to he, she, and it. But to do that, there are some rules you have to follow. Rule 1. Add S to most verbs. So most verbs, you add S to it. For example, play, plays. Eats, eats. Okay? Now, rule 2. Verbs ending in CH, SH, SS, X, and O. You add ES. For example, wash. Wash becomes washes. Go become goes. Box become boxes. Got it? Good job. Now, rule 3. Verbs ending in Y. If the letter before Y is a consonant, you change the Y to IES. For example, study, studies. Look, the letter before this Y is a D, which is a consonant. So the Y changes to IES. Same with fly. becomes flies. Okay? L is a consonant and it comes before Y. So it changes to IES. Gotten? Now, if a vowel comes before the Y, just add S. So, for example, play. A vowel comes before the Y, so it becomes plays. This is correct. This is wrong. Gotten? Great work today. Now you have learned how to use simple present tense. In the next class, we will learn how to use simple present tense in negative and questions. For your homework, write 3 sentences about your daily routine in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notification so that when I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay guys, it was nice talking to you today. Have a wonderful day. Bye!